Hello, and welcome to Vocabulary Explainer number 1 from the Gaming Marketing Institute. In this segment, we will focus on key terms that help guide your thinking about video games. However, as a prerequisite, you will need to complete the entire Gaming Marketing Made Simple course. Let's start with the basics. All digital games are systems consisting of objects, attributes, which we will call features, and relationships in a virtual environment, where everything in a video game, no matter how simple or complex, is expressed through these four properties. That includes distinguishing characteristics such as a game's rules, objectives, and goals. That also means all gaming campaigns which tap into a video game will do so through one or all of these four properties. Digital gameplay, likewise, is the human experience of a video game's rules, objectives, and goals within the boundaries of a game system. As a marketer, it's important to understand that video games are not toys people play with or products people use. Instead, they are systems specifically designed to provide a playable experience. Last, but not least, gaming, when used as a verb, refers to the act of engaging in digital gameplay. An example of this usage is, the target audience spends at least 10 hours a week gaming. When used as a noun, gaming is something relevant to gameplay. An example of this usage is, the product innovation team just finished the co-branded gaming mouse. Now, let's review the three terms that we defined. All video games are systems consisting of objects, features, and relationships within a dedicated virtual environment. Digital gameplay is the playable experience of a game's rules, objectives, and goals, all of which occurs within a game system. Gaming as a verb describes the act of engaging in digital gameplay. However, as a noun, it is a person, place, or thing relevant to digital gameplay. Remember, all video games are systems, regardless of the genre and/or complexity. So, you, as a marketer, should characterize all games as a collection of objects, features, relationships, and an environment. Furthermore, people do not play with video games the way they play with toys. Neither do people use video games the way they use other types of digital products. Instead, people experience play within game systems. And, lastly, gaming has different meanings when used as a verb and a noun. The former describes the activity of engaging in gameplay, while the latter describes something relevant to that behavior.